Yo guys, welcome back to another update brought to you by Deccan Storms 2, and this is update 4 on Super Typhoon Sinluaku. Now, this shows you the microwave imagery of Sinluaku at the moment, and you can see Sinluaku is going through an eye wall replacement cycle at the moment. You can see it's going through an eye wall replacement. But yeah, that's what this microwave imagery shows you. Now I will get up tropical tidbits and I will show you the satellite imagery of this system. So the satellite imagery of Super Typhoon Sinlaku at the moment still looks pretty impressive on satellite. I ain't gonna lie about that. But you can see the eye probably getting smaller, I think. So, I'm not sure. It looks like it is smaller than what it was supposed to have been. Yeah, it's more wobbling as well, guys. Which is a sign that the storm is weakening. This could be a short update, but if you guys live on the islands, just hunker down and stay safe. Because Rota, Tinian, and Saipan, especially Saipan and Tinian, you could be in the eye. Well, yeah, you basically will be in the eye of this storm. So stay safe on there. It is trying to blow up some convection again, but it is currently now 170 miles an hour and a pressure of 906 millibars. That's by tropical tidbits anyway. It's not going to re-intensify because it's moving into cooler waters, and yeah, but other than that, that's what that says. I'll show you now the track of the storm. I need to, the track. Okay, still 150. They did do a position update, I think. 3 hour position update. There we go. There we go. Yep, there we go. There we go. 145 knots. Which is 170 miles an hour. As you can see. That's where it is right now. It's heading towards Saipan and Tinian. But other than that, yeah. So Tinian, it's going to go right over Tinian Island. Right over Tinian Island, which is right here. That's Tinian Island. It's going to go right over you. So you can have the eye still. So the eye is currently this small. So you, Saipan, you won't have the direct eye wall. You won't have the direct eye, but you have the eye wall. Tinian will have the eye. The eye will be over Tinian. But then you will get the eye wall. You still will get the eye wall as well. It depends if the storm moves over you. If the storm does that, moves in between the islands, you both will get the eye. If the storm moves like that over Tinian, Tinian will get the eye. But if the storm moves in between Tinian and that little island there, you won't get the eye. You just get the eye wall. But Saipan, you will get the eye wall or the cloud, or yeah, you'll probably get the eye wall. And Tinian, you will get the eye wall and the eye at the same time as well. So stay tuned for that. won't show you the JMA because the JMA is not in. Well, they still have it at 180, which is ridiculous to say the least, if you ask me. They have sinluaku at 173 miles an hour still, which is 100 and 170 miles an hour. I still have 150 knots though, which is weird. It's ridiculous how they still got it at 150 knots. But oh well. This is the satellite imagery. And I mean, it still looks good. You cannot say it doesn't. I mean, look at that. Look at that satellite imagery. Buzzer of an eye. You got the islands, Northern Mariana Islands, Guam, Saipan, Rota, Tinian. You got Guam, Rota, Saipan, and Tinian, all right there. Which is making a beeline for those islands. Making a beeline right for that island right there, and it's gonna curve out towards the north like that. That's pretty much what it's gonna do. The cone does do this, so that is the cone. So it could track anywhere along in that cone. It could move a little bit back further east and do that. Well, not do that, but you know, it could track a little bit further east and probably miss the Tinian. It could track a little bit further west and make landfall on Saipan. You don't know. You don't know what it's going to do, but you can see the storm size. It is massive from that side of the storm to that side of the storm. I have to see if there's don't know. It's not like my other video software, guys. It's I can't draw a line properly, but anyway, the wind forecast. Not really expecting wind, but rain is the biggest rain problem with this system. Massive amounts of rainfall of up to at least, I'd say, 500 millimeters, at least that over the islands. Even when it makes that turn towards the north, I mean, those islands that are up here still could get very heavy rainfall as well. So yeah. But other than that, guys, it says here, Super Typhoon 4W Sinluaku, Red Tropical Cyclone Sinluaku 26 in North Mariana Islands from 9th of April 2026 to the 13th of April 2026. Warning graphic. That's the track, of course. Warning text. It says here, I'm looking for the warnings. I don't know what the warnings are. Alright, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see you all in the next update, which will probably most likely be tomorrow now. And yeah, don't forget to stay safe. Please stay safe from sinluaku in the islands. And if you're from the islands, DM me on Discord or DM me in the YouTube comments and tell me how the storm was and stuff like that. And I'll give you some tips of how to stay safe or whatnot. But there'll be another video out tomorrow doing an update when it's near the Northern Mariana Islands, which it should be making landfall tomorrow. I think round about 2-ish, probably. I'm not sure on the islands, but I'll have a video out tomorrow when it makes landfall. If it doesn't make landfall while I'm at college, so I'll keep an eye out for it, guys, for you, and that's my promise. I will try and do an update tomorrow. If not, I'll do one when I get back. I do one at the same time I'm doing now. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's try and hit 150 subscribers this year. We can do it. We're on 109 now. So thank you for the growth this year. It's just really, it's been a really good year for my channel. So let's continue that growth into 2026, and let's hope for the best and stay safe. Goodbye.